Hi guys! Good morning! 7:35 in the morning. And pinakain ko na po yung mga pusa. Ngayon naman, next ko na gagawin is maggawa tayo ng coffee. Today, may pupuntahan kaming party. And alas 3 pa naman ng hapon. Kaya, marami pa tayong time. Diba sabi ko kahapon nagagawa tayo ng cake nga. Ito yung mga ingredients natin. Naka-ready na dito yan eh. Ayan siya guys. So ngayon na lang namin ito gagawin. Ilaksan muna natin ito ang ating pot. Four scoops. Dinikit na pala ni Jan dito yung mga recipe, oh. Ito po yung perfect recipe na, ano to, almond flour bread ata ito. Ito yung pang keto bread, guys. Alam ko na may mga nabigay ako sa inyo last time na recipe. Actually, inano ito ni Jan. Minodify ito ni Jan, guys. So, ito na po yung pinaka-final recipe ng ating keto bread. So, gagawa na lang tayo ulit yan. Meron pa kasi ako doon na natira. And, not sure kung nakalagay ba ako ng recipe sa description before. But, ilalagay ko na lang ulit, guys. Actually, ganyan si Jan eh. Kapag mayroon siyang mga ginagawang recipe, tapos, hindi niya masyadong nagustuhan, bali, pinapalitan niya yung mga ingredients, no? And then, from then on, yun na yung gagamitin niya. So, ganyan lang naman tayo, guys eh. Minsan, kailangan nating palitan yung mga ingredients para makuha talaga natin ang tamang timpla. Ikuan muna natin ito, guys. Put away muna natin ang mga things. Mga things, ipuput away. Ganyan ang ginagawa ko every morning while waiting for our coffee. Nasa Boynton Beach yung pupuntahan natin mamaya. So, medyo malayo siya. Nasa 30 minutes yung bahay ng aking mga kaibigan. Ibang grupo ng mga kaibigan ito, guys, ha? Kasi yung isang grupo ko na kaibigan nasa Melbourne. Tapos ito naman is nasa Boynton. Kumakain na yung mga alaga namin. Hindi pala natin ito na balik sa pantry kahapon. Uy, low na naman tayo sa mga ano, oh. Low na naman tayo sa mga chips. Alam mo, sa aming dalawa ni Jan, si Jan ang pinakamalakas kumain ng chips, sa totoo lang. Ako, iniiwasan ko talaga yung chips, guys, eh. Okay. Hindi namin sinasama ito, guys. Ang kahoy. Ito, oh. Yung kanyang handle. Handle na wood. Hindi namin sinasama sa dishwasher. For some reason, I think may explanation si John. Nasisira daw ata yung kahoy. Parang nagagabok siya, guys. Nagagabok. Or ano ba sa Tagalog ang gabok, guys? Nagagabok. Tagalog yung nagagabok. You done eating? Where are you? Hi! Tapos na silang kumain, guys. Bibilis kumain ng mga palangga namin. Uy! You guys done eating? Huh? Okay, go out now. Iinom na yan sila ng tubig doon sa labas. Bye-bye. Ang weird ng mga pusa namin guys, no? Kasi hindi sila umiinom ng tubig dito sa loob ng bahay. Actually, may bowl yan sila dito. Tapos nilalagyan namin ng tubig. Hindi nila pinapansin. Gusto nila yung dirty water. I'm not sure kung bakit ganun sila. Siguro dahil mga outdoor kitties sila. Pero as much as... Nag-away na naman. As much as possible, binibigyan naman sila guys ng mga... Of course, clean water dapat hindi talaga nila iniinom. Gusto nila yung mga water from the rain, water from doon sa mga sprinkler na nalalagay doon sa mga gilid-gilid. Yun yung gusto nilang iniinom. Ang weird nga ng mga namin, alaga namin. Okay, so while waiting for the coffee, almost done na siya. Kuha lang kayo ng 2 scoops of fiber. I usually put my coffee with Optifiber. Ayan po, nabibili na natin ito sa Costco. Actually, nilalagay natin ito guys, pwede natin ilagay ito sa mga sarsa, pwede natin ilagay ito sa anything, sa mga soup, no? Except daw sa sparkling water. So, this helps guys, para sa ating digestive system. Ayan, support healthy digestive system. So, not sponsored guys ha, but if you want, you can try this one. Kasi we need fiber in our body, right? Okay, so coffee's done na. Medyo hawa na yung ref natin. Okay. Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, darling.
Maraming milk. Ako talaga guys is ma-milk talaga ako na tao. Ay magpapakain lang si Jan ng bird natin guys. Ganito yung ginagawa ni Jan everyday. Nagpapakain siya. Tinakot mo naman si Midnight. Tinakot ni Jan si Midnight. Mahilig talaga yan si Jan na takutin yung mga pusa namin. Kasi yung mga pusa namin is very sila, aloof or what? What do you call that here? Aloof? Like the cats are aloof.
Scared cat?
Scared, yeah.
I guess you could say aloof.
It's weird guys because we have them for like province is 2 years and Midnight is like a year or something. But sometimes they don't know us. When we're outside, when we're outside, but when they're inside, they're like affectionate or what? They're like sweet, no, calm. But when we're outside, the moment that we open the door, they're like very scared. Okay, reunion pala ngayon.
On the west side of the house, they're not friendly, but in the east side where the garden is, they'll come greet you and hang out with you in the garden.
Alam nyo guys, reunion ngayon ng family asses. Actually, sa mother side ko yan. Simula nung nawala yung mama ko guys, like 10 years ago, parang pait nito. Pait. Lagyan natin ng konting sugar. Ay!
You got sugar?
No, there is, but it's still bitter. So, simula yung nawala yung mama ko, palagi talaga yan pumupunta yung papa ko, guys. Never missed a reunion. Kasi di ba reunion, it's time na para magkasama-kasama yung mga magpapamilya. Pero this time talaga, guys, naawa talaga ako sa papa ko dahil gustong-gusto niya talaga, guys, na sumama. No? And then, sa kalagayan niya kasi ngayon, guys, is hindi siya pwedeng bumiyahin ng malayo because palagi siyang nagbabawas, nagdudumi. So, hindi naman pwedeng pupunta siya doon. Tapos, palaging hihinto yung sasakyan para Kasi, okay lang naman, guys, kung mayroong gasolinahan. Kasi sa gasolinahan, di ba, may mga CR yan sa gasolinahan. Wait lang. Kayin muna natin ito. Pero yung papa ko, gusto niya talagang sumama sana. Kaso nga lang, siya na ang nag-decide na hindi na siya sasama kasi daw baka maging burden pa siya or what. Naawa talaga ako sa papa ko, guys. And then, papa stopped drinking na since November and alam mo, simula ng 12 years old pa lang ata yan si papa, sabi niya sa amin. 18 years old. Nagsimula na yan siya mag-inom. Kaya siguro isa yan sa mga factors, guys, na nakikita ko na naging dahilan, no? Ng kalagayan ng papa ko ngayon dahil sa sobrang pag-inom. Siguro, Iba-iba naman ang katawan ng tao, guys, no? Kasi minsan naman yung iba na hindi naman umiinom, hindi naman naninigarilyo, pero nagkakaroon din ng mga ganyang karamdaman. Pero siguro sa papa ko is isa yan sa malaking factor na nagdulot sa kanya. Do you think they're one of the factors also of papa's situation right now is from drinking?
Maybe.
Because he's been drinking since 18 years old. Eh.
They say that can be a problem for that.
But I know that you know also a lot of people that you know is heavy drinker, but then again, reaches 70 or 80 years old or even 90 years old because sometimes kasi it depends on the drinks, I think, because some people in Italy they love to drink wine. Some people in Italy they love to drink wine, they love to drink gin, they love to drink all the liquors in the world. But then again, I don't know. But maybe some of them has something or illness, but they caught it early or they catch it early because that's a different story. Eh. When you have something going on in your body and you catch it early and then you see a doctor and then from then on because John's boss is a cancer survivor. Yeah, it's colon cancer also there, right?
Yeah.
Lulungkot lang ako, guys, kasi dahil may mga bagay na gusto pa sanang gawin ng papa ko pero hindi na niya kayang gawin ngayon, kagaya na lamang na pagbiyahe ng malayo, no? Pero sinabihan ko si papa na try to wear diaper. He was mad because so ayun nga, guys, pinapaliwanag ng aking hipag na si Ivy na kailangan niya mag-wear ng diaper ngayon. Pero sabi naman ng papa ko is wala naman daw problema na pabalik-balik siya sa CR. Ayaw daw niya mag-wear ng diaper, guys, dahil hindi po siya komportable. Kaya nire-respeto na lang namin yung kanyang desisyon kasi nagagalit din siya, guys, pag pinipilit. Hi guys! Good morning! Na-preheat na po ni Jan yung oven. And ngayon ay gagawa na tayo ng cake. Imimix na natin itong mga ingredients. We already have everything laid out here. We have the sugar, we have the flour, we have the chocolate chip. May pupuntahan tayong party ngayon and ang nakatoka na dalhin namin is dessert lang. Ayan. Ganito dito sa US, guys. They practice that when you go to a party, you will bring something. Whether it's wine, whether it's dessert, whether it's main course. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description, guys, ha, ang mga ingredients. Ayan, guys, para rinig na rinig nyo talaga, guys, ang aking mga sinasabi. So, because there's camera. Ganyan talaga. Ewan ko ba, guys, it's Murphy's Law that every time may nakatutok sa kay John na camera is nagkakamali siya. I think naku-conscious si John.
Yes.
Okay, next is we're gonna weigh the chocolate chips. Actually, you can use any brand, guys, as long as it's semi-sweet.
Need 6 ounces.
Okay. So, ang gagawin ni John dito mamaya, guys, is i-melt niya yan. So, we have those ready. Okay, dooks. We have 1 cup of, is that a cocoa powder, darling?
Cocoa powder.
Okay. We call it cocoa powder in the Philippines. Cocoa. Nag-e-edit lang din ako dito, guys, at the same time habang gumagawa si John ng dessert. Ito po yung kanyang recipe. Ayan. It's Ina Garten's cake. Did you modify this, dear? Did you make some changes? It's really Ina Garten.
Let's see if it'll let me view it.
Okay.
I'm gonna make the buttermilk now. Maybe. See how it's very thick? That's
Yep.
what you're looking for. There's a chemical reaction.
Aha.
Curdles the milk.
It what?
Curdles the milk.
Curdles the milk. Spelling, kayo na bahala. Mag-multitask lang ako dito, guys, ha, kasi mag-e-edit ako. Ganito ako mag-voice over, guys. Panoorin ninyo. Isang bonggang upuan na naman ang aming nadaanan kanina sa kalsada. Kaya naman, dali kaming bumaba ng sasakyan. Voice over while John is baking. Sino ba naman ang hindi... Mali. Mali na naman. Wait lang. Kaya naman, dali-dali naman itong nilagay sa aming sasakyan. How many cups of flour?
I have to go over the instructions. One and too many.
Okay.
I already made a mistake.
I will not ask anything from you.
How can I do that? You're standing right there.
No, what I'm saying is don't pay attention to me. Pay attention to what you're doing.
It's distracting. That's why.
But you put 2 cups.
That's why. Yeah, it's distracting.
No, you put 2 cups.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
I did not. Didn't I use this?
Oh, okay.
It looks dirty.
Yes, but you put 2? 2 of those?
1 3/4.
Ah, okay.
Didn't I use this?
Oh, let's play the...
See?
Because I only see 1 cup. Okay, so 1 like that.
I know I did this. See, that's how it's so distracting.
Uh-huh.
You can't have people around you when you're baking.
Right. Okay, I'll just leave you. 2 cups of sugar.
Then the cocoa powder, cocoa.
Cocoa. Cocoa.
I like to
What's the process of that?
strain it. I need to sift it. This is
Sift.
sifting.
Is there a light in this? Okay, that's better.
You don't want all those little pieces floating around in there trying to break them down.
So basically, you're mixing all the dry ingredients.
See? It's wrong already.
Because it's baking soda instead of baking powder. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Perfect. You want me to put away this now?
Sure.
This one?
Yes, sure. I don't think I need sugar for the next part.
So just put it here. And then the buttermilk. So what's the word again? Curdle.
Curdled.
Curdle. Yes, 1 teaspoon. Is that teaspoon? TSP?
If it's a tablespoon, it'll be capital T.
So for this one, we're gonna use 1 cup of coffee.
Hot coffee.
Hot.
You need to butter your pans. Parchment papers, because these are 2 8-inch pans. I press it in as good as I can around the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, off we go.
Off we go for 35 minutes.
Minutes. That looks moist.
Let's see.
Wow.
Make sure it's not too moist.
That's how you check it. Perfect. That's already cooked.
Yep.
All right. Let me get 1. 1 for you, 1 for me. 1 for you, 1 for me. That's it. Perfecto. Let it cool. While waiting for it to cool, katatapos ko lang maligo at may pupuntahan tayong garage sale ngayon. And i-interviewin po natin yung may-ari ng bahay. Actually, dito sa US, it's a thing, garage sale. Especially when they're moving to a different house. Kasi, siya yung magiging kapitbahay namin, guys, dito. Naalala ninyo na yung kapitbahay namin ay ibebenta na nila yung kanilang bahay. Siya po yung nakakuha. No? So, siya ang magiging kapitbahay namin. So, punta tayo sa kanyang garage sale. At tignan natin kung may mga makuha tayo doon. Dala lang tayo ng wallet. Where's my wallet? Magdadala lang ako ng wallet, guys. Just in case, may mga magustuhan tayo na... Ay, ask Kate dear if she likes chocolate.
Just bring it.
I'll just bring one.
Yeah.
I'll just bring one chocolate. I-gift ko to sa kanya. One chocolate. Ayan. From Hawaii. Ayan. Che Ruiz, I will share one for my friend.
Yes, that's gonna be our new neighbor.
New neighbor naman namin yan siya.
New friendly neighbor.
New friendly neighbor. Okay, so let's go. I'll go bring my phone. Where's my other phone? Go bring my phone. Magpabango din tayo kasi baka maamoy tayo ni Kate ba? Wait lang, guys. Sandali. Magpabango muna ako nitong ating... Ito yung pabango ko, guys. Guerlain. Guerlain. Hindi pwedeng wala tayong phone kasi mag-vlog tayo doon. Okay. Let's go to our neighbor's house. So, ito po yung bahay na nabili niya, guys, oh. Ayan po yung bahay na nabili niya. Ayan. So, kapitbahay. Magiging kapitbahay natin. Kaya, mag-ano tayo? Magbigay-pugay tayo sa ating kapitbahay. Sana may pagkain doon, darling, no? Hopefully, there's food there.
There's bread there.
Huh?
There's gonna be bread there. Some bread maker.
Habang papunta kami sa bahay ni Kate, guys, may nadaanan din kami na nag-garage sale dito. Ganito sila dito sa Amerika, guys. Bago sila mag-move out, ay ibebenta muna nila yung ano man ang pwede nilang mabenta. At yung iba na hindi mabenta, ilalagay nila sa kalsada, no? At ipapamigay. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa bahay ni Kate. Bigay natin itong chocolate sa kay Kate. Hello, Kate. This is for you.
From Hawaii.
Sobra kasi ang blessings na natanggap namin mula sa aming follower na si Chut Ruiz. Kaya naman i-share natin yung iba sa ating mga kaibigan. Tara, tignan natin kung ano yung mga gamit na tinitinda nila dito sa garage sale. Una ko napansin itong art na ito, guys. Ayan, yung parang may wig ba ang binibenta niya dito? Or itong buong set na ito. Tapos may lamesa din. May mga nakasabit din na iba't ibang mga clothing. And then, meron ding itong clock na ito. Parang mga vintage ito, guys. Mga antique. 'Di ba? Maganda siya, guys. Yung skirt, tapos may mga painting at iba't iba pa na nakasabit dito or nakasandal dito, guys. May mirror, no? Mga antique talaga siya, guys. And then pagpasok namin sa loob, guys, makikita mo yung mga plants. Ayan, yung parang mga bonsai. Tinitinda din yan, guys, from $2 to $10. Depende sa kung ano yung plant. And then may mga vintage din na mga denim, no, na mga jackets, mga pang-office. Ito parang pwede ito sa aking hipag. Ayan, different kinds of designer clothes, guys. Mga pre-loved ito, guys, ha. Mind you, mga pre-loved ito. Pero hindi naman ito basta-bastang pre-loved lang, guys, no. Mga luxury naman yung iba dito. And then meron din silang mga ganitong decorations, no? Ayan, mamili lang kayo. Kung may nagustuhan kayo, guys, let me know lang. Pa-PM na lang ako sa FB page natin. May mga mugs din, different collections of mugs. Ayan, hindi ko lang... Kasi yung iba talaga dito, guys, sabi niya, mga lumang mugs na talaga. Yung, alam mo yun, yung maibenta mo na talaga siya sa mga antique na mga boutique, mga stores. 'Di ba? Tapos may mga shorts din. Tapos kung mahilig ka sa ganitong mga hats, meron ding different kinds of hats na ganito. Siguro sa papa niya ito. Nakilala din namin yung papa niya kanina eh. Ang ganda ng kanilang place dito, guys. Malawak, no? At saka ang daming mga, para ka talagang nasa province, no? Kung mapapansin ninyo. Lilipat daw sila, guys, kasi mahal na yung tax nila dito eh. Hindi na nila kaya na magbayad ng tax dito. Pataas ng pataas every year.
Yeah, there's that, and that's very unusual. I've never seen.
Oo nga. What is
I don't know what that is.
this one too? Very unusual.
Right.
Spiral.
I don't have Google in my phone. You can Google Lens.
Ay, oo nga. Google Lens. Okay. Hold on. Ayan. Ah, retail cactus or
Rat
no
tail.
rat tail
That makes sense.
retail. Did I say retail? Rat tail. Ayan. Oh, $14 online.
Lots of clothes, lots of plants.
Uh-huh. Case. It's a griller?
Some kind of a grill. It has some kind of feet on it.
No feet.
Beach?
Maybe like send it to the Philippines. What would you want for that?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Nagustuhan namin itong grill guys kasi very handy lang siya. Pwede natin itong gamitin pag nag-picnic tayo sa Pilipinas. At saka butane lang ata ang gagamitin dito guys. So siguro kukunin namin ito. Hindi lang alam ng papa ni Kate kung magkano ito. Wait natin, tanong natin.
Never been used like new.
Brand spanking new.
Oo nga no. Sino may gusto nito guys?
$20.
Okay. It's sold.
So, okay.
Take checks.
Nope. Checks. Does anybody still have checks?
I have it.
Yeah. Oh, you do?
Okay. Well, don't fight over it. I take from both of you.
Yes.
Same.
So, pwede na guys, $20 doon sa grill. Hindi pa naman siya nagamit, diba? Ipapadala natin yun sa Pilipinas guys, sa Balikbayan box. And magamit natin yan pag nandun kami ni John. Para may extra tayo ba in case maubusan tayo ng gasol or mag-brown out. At least meron tayong extra na pwede nating paglutuan. Kasi minsan pa naman brown out sa probinsya.
Water's so good. There's no need to change. The only drawback is that it's on a pump, and sometimes things go wrong. And over the past, I don't know, 10 years, no issues. They're just the pump. And when they used to come through and pick up the garbage, if they made a little mess, they'd sweep it up. No? Oh, they dump things, they leave things on the street. It's like, why would you drive away all the time?
Did you guys have a rake?
Right. They used to. I've been there since 1991.
We're gonna do live selling and then we'll just ask for the prices first.
Just by
No?
phone.
Ang ganda nitong mga ibang damit dito guys. No? Yung iba dito is pre-loved. Yung iba naman is hindi pa naman ito nagamit. So, pwede natin itong i-live select this one too. Oh. See? It's nice. A lot of them will buy that. Pre-loved. So maybe they want it. See? Oh, some of them.
It's only $328.
Ah, yeah.
It's priced like MK.
You have a shop, Kate.
I did in New York for 15 years.
Wow.
That's my rich ex-boyfriend's jacket. So
Ah. Oh, that's... Oh.
nice one.
So
But
is that
that's
the real?
also not the price. I would do 150.
In fairness guys, no, mostly sa mga damit dito is magaganda naman talaga siya guys. Kaso nga lang, syempre pre-loved, hindi naman natin maibebenta ito sa lahat, 'di ba, ng mga followers natin kasi yung iba naman is gusto nila is brand new talaga. Pero ang dami talagang magaganda guys.
I would do 40 for this, which is deals.
Yeah.
Size 7.
Size 7 probably fits more like a size 2, 0. Petite, very skinny lady. But I'm 5'7", so tall woman. This is a good one too. This is Free People, all cotton, and it's a romper. So just like loosey goose. I would do 40 for this.
40.
too.
Okay.
Oh, this is so fun. 1960s lingerie.
Wow. So where'd you get those?
Oh my gosh, I've been collecting for 20 years. So
I see.
Slowly putting it out. Cloth. Lily Pulitzer.
Ah.
Oh, this is so cute too. 60s.
Wow.
This is cool too. It's open on the sides,
Mhm.
and then you tie it around to do a full enclosure, but you could do it just to the side, or you could wrap, you could cinch. Very versatile. Socks do really well. I designed them all.
Oh,
So these are
okay. So you have
custom
like
Graphic design.
I see.
The Florida Lottery, very fun. This is the 1940s UPS logo.
Mm-hmm.
Brooklyn, forget about it. This just says Italian restaurant. Seeking the death penalty, great for lawyers.
Oh yeah, that's what I was seeking.
Yeah, I live with my mom. Trust no man. We're down to our last one. I redid the Hooters logo into Cooters. I'm a little I love New York.
Sabi ni Kate, guys, yung manufacturer daw nito ay same daw sa manufacturer ng Nike. So doon siya bumibili po, guys, ng mga plain na socks and then siya po ang nagde-design. Tapos, kwento niya, meron daw siyang business or boutique dati sa New York. Feng Shui daw ang pangalan. Baka kung taga New York ka, guys, no? Baka nakapunta ka na sa kanyang store dati.
But yeah, these do really well. I'll gift you one if you want to move them through. I got 500 in the garage.
Oh,
And
wow.
I don't know. You could try.
So how do you, I mean, how much is that?
I'm doing them 15 here.
Mm-hmm.
At my store, they sold for 35 every day.
Wow.
What's the name of your store, Kate?
It was called Feng Shui.
Feng Shui. Oh, this one, the one on the tag. Feng Shui. Look, sounds like Chinese. Feng
Well,
Shui.
it's like the art and science of feeling good.
Ah.
Things got to be aligned. We need all
Uh-huh.
of our elements and our senses. But my new brand, I'm thinking I'm going to call it Sister Batabi.
Okay.
Which is a night at
So
the
you're now
Rocks.
transitioning to a new
I'm
whole.
ready to leave it behind.
Ah, is it clothing as well, or what is it?
So Sister Batabi will always just be, this is what I do. Plants,
Okay.
decor, fine vintage.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm going to do a not-for-profit to support women leaving.
Oh, you have organization.
That's what I'm working
Wow.
towards this year. And I'm hoping to open a thrift store
Mm-hmm.
to help fund housing and food and protection for women.
Wow. Maganda talaga yung layunin ni Kate, no? Nagbebenta siya and then some of the proceeds ay napupunta sa organization na kanyang sinusuportahan. I think ganitong klase ng mga business woman, guys, is mga pinagpala, no? Nabiblessed kasi hindi lang po sa pansarili niya, kundi nakakatulong din siya sa community, no? Kaya napaproud talaga ako kapag ka nakakakita ako ng mga ganitong klaseng tao and wish ko na sana mag-grow, mag-success ang kanyang business na pinaplano ngayon. And gusto ko rin sana siyang i-collaborate, no? Kasi nag-iisip din ako ngayon, guys. Nagagawa ako ng sabon dito sa US and nag-usap kami, like, uso kasi ngayon ang turmeric soap, milk turmeric and something like that. So yan yung plano namin. I'm sure marami pang mga factors, no, na i-consider natin dito, no? Paano yung pricing, no? Ano yung mga materials na gagamitin, mga ingredients, ifo-formulate pa natin yan. Pero natutuwa ako na nakakakilala tayo ng mga kaibigan kagaya ni Kate, no? Actually, guys, parang ilang weeks pa lang kami magkakilala nito, guys, no? Pero magaan yung loob ko sa kanya. Kaya hopefully, magkaroon kami ng good partnership in terms of business in the future. Kaya sa mga kababayan natin na gustong mag-order nitong mga pre-loved items, guys. Itong mga socks, guys, of course, brand nyo naman yan, no? Kung gusto ninyo, let me know, guys. Nasa $20 ata yan, guys, or $30. Dalawang, na siya, pares na siya. Nakakatuwa lang, guys, dahil nakilala namin itong magpamilya na nagbebenta ng pastry dito sa garage sale. Kaya order na din tayo.
Put your happy face on, Cora. This is your debut for
All
happy.
smiles. There you go.
Good job.
There you go. I put the sign here. Let me see. We got the.
You need a bigger table, bro.
Yeah, no, I just need to set up that. There you go. That's what I was going for.
Nice.
They're 5 for half a dozen.
Okay, maybe half a dozen.
No, get a dozen.
This one is...
We'll just bring them to the party today.
Okay.
I don't know how many people are going to be there.
Okay, yeah, we can bring
I'll pack you up another one now. How about you twist that?
So napansin ko na meron din silang fresh pasta dito and tinanong ko siya kung kailan ito ginawa. Last night lang daw. So gusto ko itong itry dahil mahilig din naman ako sa pasta, guys. So ito yung ipapaluto ko kay John tomorrow.
You like?
How much is this? What's your name again? I forgot.
Antonio.
Antonio. How long have you been doing this? Like selling?
A couple years. It started just in my neighborhood. My neighborhood has like a Facebook group page.
Oh.
And one day I'm like, you know what? I make these for myself all the time, and I put out a message, hey, I'm gonna make some bread. If anybody wants, let me know. And orders started coming in, and it was pretty good and steady.
Kailangan mo lang kasi mag-start, guys eh. Natutuwa ako na nakakasalamuha ako ng mga ganitong klase ng mga negosyante, no? Yung paano sila nagsimula. Ano yung mga tips nila para maging successful na online seller? Ano yung mga struggles na pinagdadaanan nila? Parang gusto ko silang interviewin, no? Kasi nakakakuha ka ng mga idea mula sa kanila eh. Nakakakuha ka ng mga advice mula sa kanila. Yan yung next na gagawin natin, guys, sa channel natin. Para magkaroon man lang ng kabuluhan ba? Magta-topic tayo, mag-interview tayo sa kanila, no? Kung ano yung mga magagandang advice na ibibigay nila sa mga nagsisimula pa lang magnegosyo.
A scone? You want chocolate chip or blueberry?
Which one is your best seller?
Chocolate chip.
Well, chocolate chip's my personal favorite, but
Total is...
that'd be 30 total, please.
Alright.
I also make kind of special breads to order. I make rosemary.
Rosemary
and roasted
bread?
garlic bread, but sometimes I've made blue cheese and pepper, and people requested
But what's your best seller, the sourdough?
just plain,
Oh.
the plain classic. Yeah.
Okay.
That's right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you
Nice
too.
to meet you too. Thank you.
Oh, what's your channel? What's it called?
Johannes.
Johannes
You?
and John.
Cool.
The first name's very unique, so it's easy to find.
Unique spelling.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
You
Bye,
guys,
Cor.
kind of document the area.
We do everything. It's travel, it's cooking, it's selling, it's
Nice. Oh, wonderful.
live selling. Some of the
Bye, Levy. Bye, Cora. Bye. Bye, Kate.
Okay.
Thank you.
See you
I feel like I'll see you and talk to you very soon.
Very soon.
very
Yeah.
soon.
Awesome, you got some big
We
Grill.
almost forgot our grill. We paid already, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Never worked that easy before.
Uh-huh. All right. We have some food na to bring to the party. Ayan. Guys, I'm very happy today because I was able to meet a person that I really need, no? A business person. He knows how to set up an online account or Shopify or something like that. Home sweet home.
Homie. Here's another quarter piece for $20.
Uh-huh. But it's only $20. So we spent $50 today from going to a garage sale. Look at that beautiful mulch over there. We changed our mulch to red. It was black before, or brown, something.
Brown like that.
Like that.
But I think
Red
the
is-
bigger pieces would be better, but it's harder to walk on actually.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Next will be frosting.
The moment.
That's amazing. I hope Joy. Very moist.
Shiny moist.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna make a double boiler.
One block.
1 block. Gonna mix in the sour cream. Teaspoon of vanilla. The entire thing will go in here.
Oh. Amazing. So, may pupuntahan pa kaming party ngayon, guys, eh. Pero mamaya, ite-text natin si Kate kung marami ba siyang nabenta doon sa kanyang mga garage sale. Ang dami niya palang nabenta ng mga mug. Sarap ng chicken. Hindi kasi ako masyadong kumain ito kahapon kasi nagluto din si Jan ng fried chicken. Mas inuna ko yung fried chicken. Sobrang sarap ng pagka-marinate ni Jan dito. Grabe. I-invite pala natin yun si Kate dito sa bahay. Dinner or something. Para mag-usap kami about business. So ito na guys, lalagyan na ni John ng frosting itong ating cake. Unleash. Ganda ng bahay mo, Day. Ganda ng bahay ni Joy.
Mga Amerikano.
Oh, wow.
Why?
Diyan na sila. Dumating na nga si Vena, guys, at may dala siyang lulutuin pa daw niya. Ginataang hipon with kalabasa. Uy, isa yan sa mga paborito ko.
I don't know what that is. Looks good.
Maya-maya ay dumating na rin si Mercy at may dala siyang dinuguan, guys. Na kung matagal na ako hindi nakakain ng dinuguan, kahit na bawal, try lang ako ng konti. Pinapakita ko rin sa kanya, guys, ang mga binibenta kong bag kasi sabi niya interested daw siya to buy. Naglilinis lang ngayon ng shrimp si Vena at saka si Ate Lucy naman ay babalatan niya lang itong kalabasa. Sabi ko tutulong na lang ako sa pagbalat ng kalabasa para mabilis matapos.
May basta may step, okay na yan. Yeah. Ang importante,
Ginataan siya dahil, no?
yes.
Oh, I love it.
May munggo, may buko salad, may chocolate cake.
Alam mo, ang dadalhin ko sana ngayon is macaroni salad.
Nagkakatag dessert.
Puro na tayo dessert.
Puro na tayo
I am
dessert.
going to turn the fan off because if you put hot food out, then it's gonna.
Saan kayo palaging nakikita dito lang sa bahay ni Joy?
You're making a video?
Sabi niya,
You make video?
Yeah.
Cool.
He's a vlogger.
YouTuber. YouTube.
A what?
He's a vlogger.
He is a YouTuber.
Oh.
Oh, stupid.
On the way na sila ni Joy.
Oh, darating yun dahil. Vlogger din yun.
Namit niya sa video, di ba?
Hindi rin. Hindi
Hindi
pa.
rin, hindi pa. Joyce lang.
Apartment. Ako na si.
Nakalimutan ko na.
Ang ganda tingnan mo. Sulag-sulag. Ayun lang yun.
There's a lot of that in here.
There's the lady, this lady bought the house next door to us.
Ilagay mo lang dito kasi na ano
Her craft
Oh, nandito na. Sus. Nandito na. Speaking of the
Ano,
girl.
Joy?
Speaking of devils.
Oh, the devil guys. Ay, speaking of the devil.
The devil's wear product.
Nagsama ko lang. Finally.
Ang magaganda.
Kasalanan si Jay sa akin.
Ano?
Yung paksiw niya. Biso-biso kami ngayon. Ano?
May ano ka, may paper plate.
Para dali mo.
Hi, Day!
Dahil gusto naman ka tayo.
Uy, listen. Nagluto sila ng favorite.
Kaya nga.
Of course!
Ay, na, malapit na.
Ito na pang gunting.
Mainit yan, Mars. Mag-ingat ka.
Kaya nga, close natin ka para hindi siya para hindi siya maglamig ba?
Ito naman ang gunting ni Joy.
Ano naluto nito, Joy?
Punta dito sa inyo.
Ha? Nakapunta ka ng gunting niya.
Ayun, nakaniwang. Nakaniwang na gunting niya.
Pwede ka na daw manghon ng mangga, Joy. Ha? Sabi niya.
Alam niya ni Marcy kung saan siya mag-book.
Diyan sa may ano.
Kaya sabi ko, pinagpunit ng ganyan.
Dito kami nanguha dati, Joyce, ng Duhat, Joyce.
Well, that's why when he
Malapat kasi Joyce ang lupa ko. Hindi mo alam? Sabi ko kay Joyce, malapat kasi ang lupa ko. 60 acres kaya Joyce. Ha? 60 acres? Hindi ah. More than ata 60. Gusto mo, ano kita, igala kita sa lupa ko.
Tama na sila.
Gusto mo?
Hindi na kami si George. Hindi ko na si George. Kita lang ni kay George. Kasi may tampon. So, ay kala ko rin na lang niya.
Wow, itutour mo kami, Joy? Hawak mo? Ay, hindi pa ako nakapunta dito. I-tour kita. Gusto mo 60 acres.
Busy lang ito. Busy. Yun lang ito. First time mo lang.
Yeah.
First time niya, pero sa clubhouse din.
You have
Ano
like
first time?
Sa clubhouse yun, right, Flor?
Yung
Clubhouse lang.
Ako din, first time ko dito.
Sure.
And,
right.
Dahil nakalugay doon sa labas, one time.
First time niya mali. Hello guys. Welcome to dinner show.
Well,
Mag-try ka sa kong vlog.
So, na-tendency nga mo ano siya.
crap.
Ito naman sa sa doctor na. Bitas sa
Ito na yung cooking show.
Uy, pagod pa yan si Dina.
Kaya nga, wala pa yung tulog. Kaya nga.
Hoy, natulog kami.
Ay, after 3 hours of activity.
May short time pala si Bella.
Si Bella ngayon.
Murag artista kaya dugay mo human ang birthday.
Birthday
No?
niyo,
1 month man na ang artista.
Ito na, buksan ko.
Sana yung ano?
Yes.
Sana yung beans?
Sige na.
Video lagi ako makatampo diri.
Ay, bukas ako ng fishbowl na yun. Dito? Fishbowl. Ay, pag-after
Wala okay. Kung kan-on Joy ha. Sibulan mo na on.
Nauna dahil kanina pa. Inuna ko na yan eh.
Yung kanin ba?
Baka hindi. Bigat pa yan.
Bongga ang pantry ni Joy.
Nawa, dito ko yan nilagay eh.
Alam mo naman yan.
Yung maliit? Asa na yun? Maliit lang yun.
Yan.
Ilagay ko man lagay. Dito.
Kailangan may lalagyan kayo na na pang Pang-ilalim, pang-pork. Wala na ako na. Hayaan mo na kasi, Flor.
Nasaan ko ba kayo niya?
Baka mamaya, hindi na mapupuntahin dito si...
ilang baboy.
Tapos ka na, pansit. Ay wow, bongga ang pansit. Ay kay Floor, barbecue.
Barbecue. Diet ka ron ha?
Walay diet room ay.
Lagay ko na lang ko sa ilalim ha. Init ka na.
Excuse me.
Nakakasakit ka lang namin namin Mercy. Kayo man mga kayo mga pansit.
Ate Lucy,
Sige na.
You like the lumpia?
Yeah, they're mixed. Yeah.
Lucy, you want the other half?
No, oh no.
I like mung beans.
what do you want with it? Uy, kayo na magkuha ng drinks dito, ha?
I will put some in
Dali
here.
na. Jo, dali na, Jo. Yung drinks, kayo na doon magkuha.
Sure.
Ay, hindi ko pa natikman. Let's not. Uy, ano in English o kuan,
Oh,
inununan?
I dropped lumpia.
Inununan?
It's food of.
Inununan.
Ay,
Fish with soup.
Ikutin ko yan.
Honey, we gotta move this.
Careful lang kayo kay may buto yan. May
Better?
Matuto sa ila diri ulang.
You like it?
One thing.
I'm not used to
Oh, puro ano?
putting it.
Ay, ganun mo na lang ko. Ganito ba? Parang pork and knife.
I like it.
Talaga? Dito tayo.
Happy birthday, Mami!
I forgot the ice cream. Yeah.
No, thank you, Johannes and John.
Chocolate cake. One of the best.
Yes.
Na-excite ako kasi... Anong tawag dyan?
That's the little bird bass, and then in the banana trees I have a big one.
Blueberry? Okay. Enjoy.
I swear!
Ito na po yung buko salad na ginawa ni Ate Lucy.
Curly ba?
I don't like,
Wow.
Ay, hindi yung ano takay.
Sa bunutan daw niya ni Lucina.
Wala ba yan after 1 minute?
manufacturers too. People make real soap.
Yeah.
Make a big batch of it.
Cat. They have cat.
Is it a scary cat or is it an okay cat?
I think they're friendly. She's friendly cat.
No, she's not. Just you'll be okay. Just don't touch her. Oh, that's the little one. He's a good boy. Go ahead. Come on. You guys can come if you want, but you might scare the birds away.
Oh, you got a 40-pound bag of bird seed at home for the birds.
Okay, do you see that cat right behind you?
Hi.
On the shelf?
Yeah.
Don't touch him.
He's a meanie.
Oh, Minnie.
Okay, come on, honey.
Hi, kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty, kitty.
Let's wait.
Thank you.
Now, maybe they're gonna come, maybe not.
Well, I hear them.
Might take a minute.
No,
Oh, wow.
they're right here.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna put these here.
Here's the next one.
They have lots of saging.
Just like that. These guys make all kinds of strange noises
Yeah.
and calls.
It went under the leaf and he didn't see it.
He didn't see it.
Yeah.
when
let
I'm
him
here,
figure it
watch
out.
This, watch this. When I'm here by myself, I go like this. And they will come right there.
Yep.
Oh, wow. That's
How many
cool.
of them are there?
Well, it depends what time of day. No, they won't take it from your hand. You gotta throw it somewhere.
They know.
Depends on the time of
He
day.
found it.
Mhm.
Here, I'll wait here. You feed them. I'll just
Lots
sit
of them.
here. Sometimes there's 20 or 30.
Do they eat like peanuts?
You want to come out?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you. Me and mommy's boyfriend used to feed birds.
Mm.
We use like the planters peanuts.
Okay, so we get some blackbirds. Occasionally we get the woodpeckers.
Mhm.
I love that. I love their color.
It might be too close because there's too many people here.
Gonna have a buffet.
Yeah. Oh, see, you can still see them.
What's his name?
Which one?
This one.
That's Cal. That's Trouble.
Trouble?
It's all right, honey.
Trouble is a nice one.
Yeah, he's a sweet boy.
And the meanie is what's his name?
Callie. C-A-L-L-E.
Callie.
Hi, Callie.
Trouble won't hurt you.
Paano mo magagawa sa Facebook?
Ito na mga
Transfer.
Kasi maliit yung ano yan.
Okay.
Oy, cake, ha, cake. Pahingi ng cake.
Ay, ang ano dahil lagayan ng cake pala.
They,
Akin na
Ito, oh.
You can't miss it. It's a short. It's very short.
Ano yung ano mo? Walang sisip lang.
Marami dito, oh.
At dahil maraming handa dito sa party na pinuntahan namin guys, buti na lang nakapagdala ng maraming baunan si Ate Lucy at binigyan niya kami ng isa-isa guys at dito natin ilalagay yung ating isa Sharon for today's video. Ayan, gusto kong mag-thank you kay Joy first of all dahil sa pag-invite niya sa amin dito ni John. And of course kay Vena, ayan sa pagluto ng napakasarap na ginataang hipon kanina. Ayan, of course gusto kong magpasalamat kay Joyce, Joanna, Mercy, Flor, sino pa ba yung nakalimutan ko? Of course, kay Mike, kay Clyde, Ate Lucy. Ay, there. It's not that sweet.
Thank you, Johannes and John.
Yes, of course.
Sa ulitin.
Of course. Next time, iba naman.
First birthday.
Oh, thank you, John.
Birthday.
Johannes.
It's our pleasure, guys. Alam niyo naman na
Joanna's
hindi
mother.
ako nakakasama sa inyo kapag ka nag-get
Birthday,
together
right?
kayo. Madalas
Tama,
actually
joke.
silang nag-get
Joke?
together, guys, kasi magkakapit bahay lang yan sila. Well, actually, yung dalawa sa kanila dyan, medyo malayo. Pero alam niyo naman, guys, kapag ka may get together at may paraan naman talaga, guys, no? Kahit nag-aano kalayo yan. Pero ako nagpapasalamat ako dahil hindi nila ako nakalimutan. No, in-invite nila. Actually, yung house namin is nasa 37 minutes away. Galing dito sa bahay ni Joy. At next time ako naman ang mag-i-invite sa inyo kapag
you should
okay na yung
try.
ating citizenship, na makapag-outtaking na tayo, siguro magpapaletsyon tayo, maghahanda tayo ng konti at iimbitahin ko din kayo guys.
Uy, ang kanin daw. Uy, pakituyo ako ng kanin.
Ito pa tayo, gusto niyo?
Ano ang pakituyo ng kanin? Subusin niyo ang kanin. Mamaya, hindi na tayo nilirami ni Ay ng rice. Nabili tayo kanina ng isang sako na naman.
Wow.
Ayan, sabi ni Joy, dalhin daw namin yung kanin kasi hindi ata yan siya kumakain ng kanin, guys. So, kailangan maubos natin yung kanin niya. Kaya pati rice, shinaro na namin. Alam nyo guys, hindi talaga ako yung tipo ng tao na basta-basta nakikipagkaibigan, lalo na dito sa Amerika. Siguro kasi mas pinipili ko yung totoo. Ayoko ng maraming drama, ayoko ng kaplastikan, at lalong ayoko ng inggitan at hilahan pababa. Kaya yung mga taong kasama ko ngayon, masasabi ko talagang subok na sila. Kilala ko na sila, mga ugali nila, sa pakikisama at sa pagrespeto ba. Sobrang gaan ang pakiramdam ko pagkasama ko sila. Kasi alam nyo yun, walang pretensyon, walang pressure, just pure good vibes lang. Minsan kasi hindi mo kailangan ng maraming kaibigan eh. Kahit konti lang basta totoo at nandyan sila para sa'yo, yun ang mas mahalaga. No? Quality kaysa quantity. At alam nyo, sobrang nagpapasalamat din ako kasi nakilala ko si Kate at saka si Antonio. Feeling ko hindi lang basta pagkikita ito, no? Parang may purpose, lalong-lalo na sa pagdating ng mga plano ko sa business, no, dito sa Amerika. Matagal ko na rin kasi guys plano or naghahanap ako ng mga taong mapagkakatiwalaan when it comes to business, no? Gusto ko yung may makukuha akong mindset sa kanila kung paano umangat sa tamang paraan. Kaya sobrang blessed talaga ako, no? Na dumating sila sa buhay namin. Maganda talaga yung layunin. Parang isa siya sa mga sagot na matagal ko nang hinihiling. Hindi lang kaibigan, kundi someone na pwedeng makatulong at makasama sa pag-build ng something bigger. Kaya sa huli, na-realize ko na hindi importante talaga kung sino ang pinapapasok mo sa buhay mo eh. Kasi sila yung makaka-apekto sa energy mo, sa growth mo at sa direction na tatahakin mo. Kaya sa mga nanonood, piliin nyo ring mabuti ang circle ninyo ha. Hindi kailangang marami. Basta totoo, supportive at walang halong inggit. Thank you guys for watching at sana kayo rin mahanap nyo rin yung mga taong magpapagaan ang buhay ninyo at tutulong sa inyong pag-angat. Thank you so much for watching guys and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!